That's it, you. That's it. Yep, he's got a meter. See? Shorty was okay.
A little bit left, coming, yep. That was actually good. Alright, turn hard left if you can.
Oh, that gets close.
Alright,
He's got space to go right now if you want it.
keep coming. Yeah, right there. Up there, mate.
Oh.
Left hand down.
Wow.
Yeah,
What a
keep coming on
monster.
that. On that lock, perfect. Right hand down. Yep, on that. On that lock, a little bit of right.
Now I want to TJ on 35s.
Straight ahead on that lock. On that lock. Right hand down. Yep. On that. On that lock. Straight ahead. Straight ahead on that lock. As you come up a bit higher, then go left. Start turning left now. Start turning left now. That's it. Perfect. You're climbing.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Just back it up a bit. Actually, one sec. Just cover my twist. If you can back it up a touch. I want you to get that. Right. Step back a little bit more. Right hand down.
He's Roop. Have a word with the spotter. He's telling him to reverse.
Yeah, right hand down. Fine.
Right.
Yeah, trust me. Right hand down and forward, forward. Left hand down as you're coming. Straight, straight. And then left.
Yep, keep on
Yep,
coming.
keep coming. Just the rear control on, just getting tagged. Yeah. Perfect. Alright. Left hand down, full lock. Ankle my feet.
Yeah, just stay back.
Yes, please.
How courteous of
Very
you.
polite, yeah. On that, mate. That was good.
Jesus.
Right hand down. Left. That's it.
What, stop?
Yeah, it is. Where I wanted you. That's alright, stay up on that. Alright. Yep. A little bit of right. Right.
Left, you mean?
Oh, I'm going to go up that way.
Oh, get his passing. Yeah, that'll work. Sorry, mate. Sorry.
Left now. Drive up on it.
Too many Indians.
Yep. Oh. Right hand down a bit. Alright.
Don't let him drop off there.
That's alright. That's you're responsible for that part, Roops.
Just on this rock here, you don't want to drop off.
And just keep on climbing. Back in here. Yeah, but if we skew him around,
He'll be fine.
I can see oil coming out again.
No.
we want a bit of positivity here, mate.
Yeah.
Right hand down.
Mate, come on. Seriously.
Roop, stop. One Indian, please.
Weird, what are you doing? Come down here, get it through here.
Okay, go.
Go right over here. You've got one behind you. Right under you. Just go back. I think we should sack this
Hey, I'm trying to run.
Man, he's done great.
Good, Kelso.
He done so good the whole way. What are you talking about, sack the man?
Right on. You need to go, if you can get it, you need to go hard right over. Come back on the opposite rock. Yeah.
locker.
Spun you around a bit. Yeah. Try again.
I don't like Roop's noises. Can somebody like...
Shut him up.
Yeah, you're scaring me, let alone the driver.
Go forward. Just aim at Evo.
What, you're going to bring him up this way? Now, oh.
Just got to go over it. Hard left and forward.
Yeah, you'll get your rear drivers on it. You'll put your rear drivers on it that way. Keep coming. Front locker. No, you're just grinding prop shaft. Is he on the prop shaft? Is that grinding the prop front?
As close as you can get
Without grinding. Okay. Oh yes, yes, yes. Look for it.
More winching, less driving. More winching.
Less grinding of your shafts, man. Just winch.
You're on your back, Nick.
Yeah, you're on the diff. You're on that big turtle.
He needs a tree up that way to pull him away from this undercut. Is he in the undercut, Roop?
I'm not in, he's not at the back. I mean,
No, the front one, the front passenger. Is that inside the undercut?
Keep going.
That's better.
I can't see a problem here unless
Shouldn't that be the spotter getting in there?
He took over.
Oh, ever since he took over, it went wrong.
You said it. He had the better visual.
Man, we had him on that perfect line to do the hard bit easily.
so you had him.
He chose to do the easy line hardly.
You gave him doubt.
That's right, you kept on doing those noises.
Watch out, he will take down.
Alright, buddy, action.
Front locker. Drive. Definitely move the wing.
Spring failure, I heard that.
Still there.
It's still there? Okay.
Winch out.
What the hell is going on there? Is that a leverage point?
Trying to be. Fuck, your grill gets hot. Just chrome. That's made a bit more weight behind it.
What are you doing sitting down? That's my gig.
It's
And it was your fault to begin with.
ready? Whose fault's that? Ready?
Can I ask why are we pulling more rope out anyway? So winch in and crawl as slow as you can.
Look at that stretch.
I was just sliding in on
Twist
it.
the tree if you can.
Looks good, yeah. Alright, we'll change it back up there too.
Drive now, champion. Forget the winch. You've done so well.
I'll grab it when you're ready.
You've done so well. Wiz, spot him again.
You just need to go straight.
No, not
Probably come hard left a bit.
Careful! Careful!
Left.
All left. Don't go back.
Forward.
Miss the tree. Just crawl it. Slowly.
Slow, it's gonna throw you again.
That way a bit. Just keep left. Yeah, just come forward. Yeah, right. Oh, I just got it.
Now the fun bit, man. The fun hasn't started yet. That's the track where I'm lined up points.
Is there a way out? Yeah.
That is such a poor decision. I am dead serious.
Drive home.
Hey, don't be like that towards the Jeep. She's never let you down. Do you want to take your strap with you or we're leaving?
Yeah.
Or the next man? Is the next man coming up?
That's fine.
Ooh.
What was that?
Ooh.
Just a housing crash.
Yeah. I felt it through the steering. No, stickers, lockers off.
It was the sticker.
Oh, it's alright. Keep on driving because my car made that sound earlier. It's still going.
Yeah, but yours are other hubs.
That's a Land Cruiser. They're always breaking.
Check for housing, a weld crack, a panhard, something.
Oh, no, I'm listening to what you're saying.
It'd be a spring reseating.
Oh, no! No, I've lost the fucking cat.
Oh, fuck.
Alright,